Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Galaxyfox token. Ticker symbol is Gfox. Now this token is part of a play to earn. It's a meme coin and it is in the midst of their pre-sale right now. This is a brand new token. There's NFTs involved, all sorts of cool stuff. We're going to go over the information on the Galaxyfox token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, welcome to the captivating and boundless universe of Galaxyfox, where the mischievous spirit and clever nature of the fox intertwine with the enchanting allure of the vast galaxy. Now, it kind of reminds me of Star Fox, if you remember that game for Nintendo 64, where you could do a barrel roll. Step into a world where the cosmic meets the cunning as Galaxyfox presents a groundbreaking meme coin experience like no other. Brace yourself for an immersive play-to-earn game that will ignite your imagination, unite communities, and unlock remarkable financial opportunities. In the realm of Galaxyfox, you will encounter a dynamic ecosystem where the playful and agile fox reigns supreme. The charming creature embodies the spirit of adventure, using its wit and agility to navigate the depths of the galaxy. As a participant in this thrilling journey, you will not only witness its extraordinary escapades, but also become an active player in shaping its destiny. Prepare to embark on a grand adventure alongside the cunning fox, the Galaxyfox. Discover captivating worlds, engage in exciting challenges, and unlock valuable rewards along the way. Your journey will be guided by the principles of joy, camaraderie, and boundless opportunities for financial growth. Galaxyfox is not just a meme coin. It's a vibrant and interactive play-to-earn game that empowers you to be an integral part of the cosmic community. Be actively participating in the game, and you will have a chance to earn real rewards, turning your playtime into a profitable venture. Immerse yourself in the whimsical and captivating universe of Galaxyfox, where entertainment merges seamlessly with financial possibilities. Embrace the spirit of exploration and collaboration as you join forces with fellow adventurers and the cunning fox companion. Together you will navigate thrilling quests, conquer challenges, and unlock a hidden treasure of the galaxy. The Galaxyfox community is built on the foundation of friendship. All walks of life can share knowledge, play, and support each other's financial endeavors. Are you ready to embark? So, here at Galaxyfox, our mission is to transform. We aspire to have Galaxyfox become a widely recognized currency across numerous Web3 platforms. This strategic move not only brings extensive attention to Galaxyfox, but also create an expansive universe of possibilities for the steadfast holders. Owning the Gfox tokens, believers earn additional Gfox tokens, cementing their stake in the cosmic journey. So, as we soar through the galaxy, we strive to make real-world impact. They have, let's scroll down to the important parts here. So they have the play-to-earn feature, gameplay here. You can earn tokens, kind of repeating itself a little bit here. So the NFTs, enhancing in-game attributes with the Galaxyfox. Immerse yourself in the gaming experience. Center stage, we have the NFT feature. Players can elevate their in-game attributes to cosmic heights. The essence of Galaxyfox is captured with non-fungible tokens, which hold immense value and rarity. Acquiring these revered NFTs unlocks awe-inspiring attribute enhancements, allowing players to soar through the game world and enhance speed, agility, power, and strength. So you can integrate them into your profiles. There's different attributes. You can boost them. And the allure of the Galaxyfox NFTs fuels to collect them. You can get different treasures, unique collection. So yeah, basically NFTs in the game, and then you can make them better. You can boost your NFTs, get more rewards, all that type of stuff. So there's a 5 billion token supply for this token here. Now they have 70% of the tokens being sold via public sale. We have 5% going to prizes, competitions, 5% team tokens, 10% ecosystem, and 10% liquidity pool. And they have, if you are going to get this later on, it looks like there is going to be taxes. So after the pre-sale, when it gets listed on decentralized exchanges, there's 6% buy and sell tax, and it's split up between liquidity pool, treasury, and staking pool. So you can stake your tokens to get more tokens, etc. You can earn tokens playing the game. It says there's burning, so they're going to burn Gfox tokens. And they have a roadmap here, starting with phase 1, white paper creation, token audit. So they probably have an audit on their webpage. We're going to check that in a second. Website goes live, pre-sale goes live, influencer campaign, marketing teaser, competition prizes, giveaways, bigger media push, treasury setup, Uniswap launch, game teaser, bridging more chains, launch of merch eventually, beta game testing, introducing new characters, further partnerships, launch of game, etc. Now they have a Telegram, a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there at Galaxyfox Token. And that is the same address for their YouTube channel, their TikTok, Instagram, Telegram. Their webpage is galaxyfox.io. On their webpage, you can't miss it. It's right at the top of the page here in the top right-hand corner. It says login, buy tokens. Right now they are in stage 1. So this is the very first stage of their pre-sale, bringing you these brand new tokens here. That's why you should hit subscribe. It shows you how much they've sold so far. They've raised a lot of money so far here. Says they've raised $271,581.55 so far, American. Doing very well. You can buy this token with your wallet, connecting it. It shows you how to buy step by step. If you right on the page, you just click on how to buy. But you can use Bitcoin, BNB, USDC, USDT, all sorts of different coins you can use to buy this token. Real straightforward. Just head over to galaxyfox.io. It says use promo code STAGE1 to get a 10% bonus. They do have a full audit on here. You can check that out as well. It says audit KYC Crypto Hub Agency, so check that out. Galaxyfox.io. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.